All video content on this channel, as well as the video you are about to watch, was created for adult collectors, not for children. Hi everyone, Tammy here. Welcome to my channel, and guess what we're opening up today? You Can Be Anything Lifeguard Barbie. I purchased her a while ago during a Target haul that I did. I have a video of that. I will post a link somewhere around here and or down below. And yeah, Target had a buy one, get one half price. So she was one of my half price items, and I ended up getting her for, I want to say it was like $8 or something like that. And not only do you get the doll, but you also get this really cool lifeguard stand and her dog. And I think this is something that I could use with my Blythe dolls. But of course, I'm getting back into Barbies in kind of a little bit of a big way, if that makes any sense. Let's open her up. Alright, so before I open up the box, I thought I should take a quick look at it. I will say it is a nice box if you were the type to keep your dolls new in box all the time. They did a pretty decent job as far as displaying this doll, and I've had her actually like this in my dolly room for quite a while, just sitting here like that looking cool. But I want to take her out and do stuff with her. So like I said, this is the Barbie You Can Be Anything series. As part of that series, on the back it has it in different languages, but it says lifeguards are life-saving professionals who make sure swimmers are following safety rules in order to keep the beach fun and safe for everyone. Do you like having fun on the beach? You can be a lifeguard. So this is pretty cool. It's a very affirming sort of approach to dolls, and so when kids play with them, they can, you know, dream about being something like a lifeguard. So, and then here they show the dog and everything that's in the box. So let's open her up. It opens up pretty easily right here. Of course, she's tied in there, as is her doggy. That dog is pretty cool, I gotta say. Okay, so yeah, here's all her stuff tied in here. All right, I think I can just pop it off. This looks like it already came out part of the way. All right. Of course, again, they got these. See, like, why even have this tabby thing? I don't get it. All right, so I am going to get my little handy Swiss Army knife scissors, clip all this out, and be back to show you all the parts and pieces that are inside here. All right, I'm back. I got all the parts and pieces off of this. The background's actually not too bad. Mine got a little, I don't know, like a little warped or something, but if you were interested in maybe, you know, using that as a background, you might be able to like take off this stuff and then, you know, use it as a diorama background or something. So that's something to think about. And so here we got all the goodies. This little dog is super cute. I wonder, does this thing come off? Like, does he have to, you know, this does come off. That's cool. So he has a little jacket that he wears, but it does come off. Hey, that's pretty neat. That's a cute little dog. You know, I'm a dog lover, so. So anyway, that's pretty cool. And then we have these flags. I guess the flags are part of the, you know, setup. If here's the stand. And do these go in here? Oh, you know what? Hold on. I'm not sure. I wonder what these go into someplace here. This is the lifeguard tower. We've got binoculars here. They're on the arm, but I think you can just pop them off. Yeah, so I can put them on the doll. That's nice. They're pretty detailed. I wonder, can you, no, you can't look through them. That would have been nice if they were like, you know, holes all the way through so you could actually look through them. That would have been kind of cool. All right, yeah, these don't come off, right? There's no little, I don't know, did this little cap come off? I don't think so. I'd hate to break this. Yeah, I don't think it comes off. Okay, that's cool though. It's still pretty detailed. I like it. Here is the stand. And those holes, I just realized, are for the umbrella part. So these, I think, go in here. I think they do. Do they go? Yeah. Wow. So that's really tall. So, because I want to use this as part of like a display. But wowee, that's a really, I wonder how long that is. let me see, let me get a tape measure here. So that is about 16 inches high. So if you were going to use this as part of a dolly display, I don't know. I wonder how, if I didn't include this, we were talking about 10 inches. So, because I want to make a display using this, that's one reason I got it. It's got these little hooks for, I guess, these little accessories here. Like here's the little buoy thing that she would use to go save somebody. And this must go here, yeah. Okay. Check out, they have a little bone. That's cute. All right, so that pops in there. And, oh, so she also has, okay, so the doll, here's the doll. She has this, and this is rubber band on her. Let me see, I want to take that off. Can I just pop it off? So that's a whistle that's rubber band on her, and then she also has this little megaphone. Get out of the water! Get out! There are sharks. Her hair's tacked down. My goodness. A lot of little bits of elastic there. Alright, so... oh, she got that thing in her head. I have to get that out. And, so she does have some articulation. Obviously, her knees bend, so she can sit in the chair here. She can fit in the chair. She's made to sit in there. So that's kind of cool. But otherwise, yeah, she's kind of limited. Woo! She's kind of limited because she's got the one arm that's bent all the time. Forever bent. This is straight. It doesn't bend either. Oops, lost her little whistle. Her head moves from side to side. Her hair's kind of stuck back there. Okay, so her head does move up and down, side to side. Legs bend. Feet, the ankles don't. And she has a permanent bathing suit on, which is not my favorite, gotta say. Not my favorite. She's cute. I mean, I think if I'm correct, this is the Millie mold that not everybody's keen on, but I'm fine with it. And so these shorts come off, and she's got her bathing suit permanently on. So you always have to worry about, you know, if you want to dress her in different stuff, you have to be considerate of the fact that she's going to always have pink on all the time on her body. Her hair is really soft. It doesn't feel like it has any goopy product in it, so that's kind of neat. I like that. But I like the color of her skin. It's nice and tan, but it's a nice golden color. Really pretty. She's a cute little doll. I mean, considering all of the stuff you get in here, I think it's a good little group of doll items. I wonder what this, so this has it looks like it goes into something. Oh, you know what it is? Is that it? Yes. Okay, hold on. Woo! So there is a hole up here. So this is where I think the flags, yeah, the flags will fit in there. Right? So green means, I think, go, and then this is warning, and this is don't swim, folks. It's bad. So this is kind of a cute little setup. Probably not going to be able to put it on a shelf like I anticipated in my my new doll shelving. We'll have to find a different spot for it if I want to have the whole thing. It's awfully now because this adds even more, couple more inches. Sounds really big. But anywho, yeah, let me put it all together and I'll take some pictures and we can take a look at it. And maybe I'll bring a Blythe out here also to give a comparison of what all of these items look like with a Blythe doll. Typically, I am okay with using Barbie items for Blythe dolls as far as accessories go. But you will be the judge when I show you my little setup here. Oh, duh, I forgot to mention, she also comes with these really cute tennis shoes. So, these would probably fit other dolls as well. So she does have kind of a semi-beachy outfit. She's got shoes, shorts, and her bathing suit that she comes with. So, all right, now I'll set up everything. Okay, I've got it all set up. It looks really cute. You can see now there's a, you can see a Blythe doll next to this. I don't know about a Blythe doll actually sitting in there. Maybe I'll try that. I will try that before I sign off here on this video. We'll see if we can get Miami in there. Obviously, I will have to take, if I put Miami in there or another Blythe doll, I would have to take off the top part for the little umbrella, because that's not going to be, that is not going to be wide enough for her big old head. So, but we have Barbie in there. She's got her binoculars on. Her little whistle popped off, and I guess I thought it would be like connected or something here, but it just, I guess maybe that just goes on, or I don't know if it's broken or not. I don't know if this was supposed to be connected to each other or not. So anyway, so she's got the binoculars on instead, and I think it looks pretty cool. I really like the addition of the dog. I think this would fit in with a little diorama with some Blythes and Barbies. We shall see. It kind of reminds me of the tiki hut that I have. It's, you know, almost workable and to mix up the dolls. And I know it's a little weird to have Blythes and Barbies together, but you know, that's my jam. What can I say? What do you think? Do you like Blythe and Barbie together or not? I don't know. Let me know what you think in the comments. I'm going to take some still photos. I'm going to see about getting a Blythe doll to sit up in that chair. Oh, one other little thing. I don't know if you can tell from here or not, but here, let me. So her feet, her knees do not bend enough for her feet to actually rest on that little step stool thing there. So kind of really not sure why they have it. I really tried to get her legs and body to bend and enough to get her feet up there, and I could not do it. So just so you know. But I think considering the price and the fact that, you know, I got this on sale and everything, I think it's a pretty good deal. I do wish that there was more movement in this doll's body. Yeah, I wish her, at least I wish her arms weren't kind of one bent and one not bent. So, but otherwise I think she's going to look good. She'll be a good addition to a little beach diorama if I want to put one together. Okay guys, thanks for watching. As usual, I always appreciate a thumbs up. Please have a wonderful dolly day, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Bye bye.